Zachary. What are you doing, little man? Well, what can you do? What can you do? Can you push yourself up? Can you roll over onto your back? Can you do that? What are you doing, little man? What you doing, little man? I love you. Zachary, I love you. Well, go. Go. Push your legs. Lift yourself up. Use your arms. Use those arms. Use those cute little arms. Use those cute little arms. Mommy loves you, cute boy. You're so sweet. Just such a sweet boy. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye.